All right, welcome class. So we are in the next day of our Go-Go cover song creation. By now you should have already picked one of the 5 tracks below and uploaded that into Soundtrap so you have something to work with. And now we're really focusing on what song we're going to cover, or nursery rhyme, which I'm going to be doing, and then using our 5 communication techniques to put in that. Do not stress. This is going to be very achievable, and I'm excited to hear what you guys come up with. So I've already started, so I have my main track here, and then I actually have 3 different sub-tracks, and it's just my voice being recorded. But I chose to do the rhythmic storytelling, and then I have some call and response, and I even do a shout out later. But this is just some ways in which you can edit and cut and paste and kind of create. So just go ahead and listen, and I'll kind of walk you through it when we start from the beginning. So here's the storytelling.
Mary had a little lamb, fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Call and response here.
Mary, where's she at? Mary, little lamb. Mary, where's she at? Mary, found her, he followed her to school one day.
Back into the rhythmic storytelling.
He made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Mary, where's she
Back to
at?
call and response.
Mary, little lamb. Mary, where's she at? Mary, found her. I'd like to give a shout out to all of the lambs out there who love themselves some Mary and like to go to school to make the children laugh and play and have a good old time.
So yeah, there's 3 of those communication techniques already. Now we're at a minute. I have to do another minute beyond this. So something I could do is I could take a verse that I've already created, and if I wanted to, just copy it, and then I could add it, let's say, into this spot right here, Control V, and figure out where exactly I want to place it so that it lines up. This is when it gets creative, and sometimes if it doesn't line up, it's easier just to go ahead and start again wherever you're at. Make sure you're highlighting the right one and hit record and
To make the children laugh and play
go back into it.
and have a good old time.
Just like this. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. And then it adds it back in right there. Okay. So please have fun with this. This should be a cool, interesting assignment where there are no right or wrong answers. Yes, you want the beat to line up. You want to make sure that it sounds pleasing to the ears. But reach out for help if you need anything. Okay. All right. Best of luck, guys.